Hi student, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Salman Sir Murani. Now we are going to study a new topic, lens. In previous video we have studied refraction, refractive index and Snell's law. Now we are going to study a new point known as lens. In definition of lens says that a lens is a piece of any transparent material. A lens is a piece of any transparent material bounded by two covered surface. वीडियो पास करके डिफिनेशन नोट करिएगा. A lens which is a lens is a piece of any transparent material bounded by two curved surface or at least one curved surface and one is plane. Like it is a curved surface. It is another curved surface. Here two curved surface, first and other one. Two curved surface make a piece of transparent material. Consider it is a transparent material like as a glass. It is an transparent material like as a glass and it's one curved surface and it is other one curved surface. This creation known as a lens. Now consider it is other curved surface of any transparent material. Now it is other curved surface, a transparent material of transparent part of any material. This creation is also known as a lens. So by structure, in the definition I have said at least one surface is curved and one is plane. Now consider one surface is a plane and other one is a curve. It is also known as lens, but it is made by any transparent material. One surface is a plane and other one is a curvial. So it is also known as a lens. It is also known as a lens. Other one we should take it. One is a curve and other is also curve. So it is also known as a lens. One as a curve, other is also curve. So it is also known as a lens. So by creation we should find that lens is many kinds of, but generally in the syllabus of class 10th, lens is two kinds of. Lens is two kinds of. Generally lens is two kinds of. First convex lens and other one concave lens. In the definition of convex lens a lens which is thicker in a middle. A lens which is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edge is called a convex lens. A lens which is thicker in a middle. A lens which is thicker in a middle and thinner. A lens which is thicker in a middle and thinner in at edge. ये जो लेंस हम देख रहे हैं एक्चुअली इसमें ये है कि ये एज पे थिन है और मिडिल में थिक है. So this kinds of lens is known as convex lens, and in other concave lens, concave is taken out as a cave. This lens like as a cave, or you can say in other words, this lens which middle part is like as a cave, so known as a concave lens. In a definition of concave lens says that a lens which is thinner at the middle, a lens which is thinner at the middle, a lens which is thinner at the middle and thicker at the edge, known as concave lens. So it is concave lens, it is convex lens. But we find out, so its side like as a wax, so it is known as convex. Its side like as concave, it is known as concave lens. But this lens have a one convex side and other one is a plane side. So this lens is known as plano-convex lens. This lens is known as plano-convex lens. Generally it is known as plano-convex lens. And this other one is, one side is a plane and other side is a concave, so it is known as plano-concave lens. So it is known as plano-concave lens. Its one side is a concave and other is a convex, so it is known as concavo-convex lens. It is known as convexo-concave lens. But convex lens is also known as double convex lens or generally convex lens, and concave lens is also known as double concave lens or generally concave lens. So student, in the class of 10th, the syllabus of class 10th, generally we know that one lens is a two kinds of. First is double concave or generally concave, and other one is convex or double convex. Now we have studied about concave lens and convex lens, not to plano convex, concavo convex, convexo concave, etc. First, convex lens. In the definition of convex lens, we have said that we have a lens which is thicker in a middle, a lens which is thicker in a middle and thinner in at edge. So it is known as convex lens. Convex lens diverges all ray of light at any one point. So it is also known as diverging lens. It is also known as converging lens. Converging lens because it is converge all ray of light at any one point. It is also converging all ray of light at any one point. So it is also known as converging lens or convex lens. But other one, concave lens diverges all ray of light following at its own surface. So it is for diverging a ray of light, it is also known as diverging lens. it is also known as diverging lens. So in the class of 10th syllabus, we know that lens is a two kinds of, first convex lens or converging lens, and other one concave lens or diverging lens. Thank you so much.